Okay, this is Arlene, Texas Star, Texas Star 63. These are my sunglasses from on the mountain of sun. Every day I carry these. Blue eyes, I get a headache from the sun very easily. These are not my glasses. Lost mine like 2 years ago, but the best closest thing to them. They're, I guess, reading glasses, so it helps me see. Then we have my trusty cane. Okay. I always carry 2 pens on me. Chapstick, 1 lighter, 2 lighters, little mini Bic, 2 butterscotches for when your mouth gets dry. Okay. My keys. We have nail clippers. We have a multi-tool. Hold on. Little knife set with a pair of scissors, P38, the knife, bottle opener and screwdriver, corkscrew, Phillips head, and a nail file. Then the carabiner, my Walgreens cards, my keys, a whistle, a thing to open the bathroom door if it gets accidentally locked because it has just one of those pinhole things, a sneaker that has safety pins, give me a second because I'm having trouble to open it. There we go. And then inside, don't know if I'll be able to get it out because of the keyring there. I have a little black, a little black Bic lighter in there. Okay. My power cord bracelet with the little compass that Sammy Messin Donald Prepper Girl gave me. My watch. Back here. A Magnite Mini with the case. Back pocket, notepad. That's it for that back pocket. Front pocket, my medication, pain meds because I have back problems and leg problems. Another chapstick. My Zimberquart. My Pro Air. Oh yeah, and this was the other dollar store find that I forgot to put on the other video. A little light in case you sit there and need to see something on your face, you get something in your eye, or you can use it as a signal mirror. It has 2 mirrors. a Swiss Army knife, bottle opener, I'm going to say the P38 because it's pretty sharp. Flathead bottle opener, another bottle opener, P38, pair of scissors, knife, saw, corkscrew, Phillips head, my nails are short so I'm having trouble getting the other stuff out. But just broke my nail. Well, a little bit I had. There we go. And that was a little awl, I guess, or a little knife, not sure. File. And whatever that is, I'm not sure, has a hole in it, but if anybody does know, please let me know. The tweezers and I'm assuming the toothpick, I lost it. That front pocket is empty. Over here I have my cell phone case with my little phone. My bandana, black. My knife that I got at Walmart. Light in there that magnetized goes in. Little ferro rod. Only place I can find to light it on here. Hold on, because I don't want to cut myself with the knife. Has been the seatbelt cutter. That's the only place on this knife that I can find for it to work. And my Upridge knife. I have a cold, so my Upridge knife. Had that a long time. Has a hole for the lanyard. For the finger here, no gripping up on top. It is full tang. Nothing in the front pocket. Okay. Back pocket. My brush. My wallet. With my cards. And that should be it. Oh yeah, and my necklace that I never take off. And my ring. So that's it, everyone. I'll see ya on the next one. That's my EDC for today.